So here we are with a Rockville rpg2x10. When I found this, it actually wasn't powering on at all. And this little component right here, tiny little capacitor, 10 microfarad, 16 volts, was shorted out. That was causing the entire unit not to work. Someone threw this in the trash over that one little piece. That's gone. Removed from the power supply. Unplug that. And soldered right there in place is a 10 microfarad, 16 volt dielectric capacitor. You can see where the old one was right there. That's removed. Soldered a new one in place, a little heavier duty. And now, instead of not turning on, we got power. We got power. Whole system works. Easy fix. Cost me 10 cents. Have a good day.